Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. The Warren Buffett Indicator hits a historic high, while Jerome Powell signals the Fed needs more positive inflation data to consider rate cuts. Bill Gross likens Tesla to a meme stock, and Jeff Bezos offloads $863.5 million in Amazon shares. NVIDIA's CEO Huang also sells $30.7 million in shares as part of his trading plan. David Ellison envisions Paramount's transformation into a media and tech giant, according to an FT report, while Celsius shares tumble amid slowing sales data. Apple remains in focus as Piper Sandler raises its price target, but notes that good news is already priced in. Stay tuned after the short ad break for more details on these headlines. The Warren Buffett Indicator, or market cap to GDP ratio, has hit a record high of 196%, surpassing levels from the dot-com bubble and the 2008 financial crisis. This suggests potential market overvaluation. Investors should monitor index-tracking exchange-traded funds and U.S. Treasury yields for volatility. Market-tracking ETFs, DIA, DDM, UDOW, DOG, DXD, SDOW, SPY, VOO, IVV, RSP, SSO, UPRO, SHSD, SSPXU, QQQ, QQQM, QLD, TQQQ, QID, SQQQ, Treasury ETFs, TLT, TLHIE, FIEI, SHIVSCOV, SCHOBIL.
Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell informed the Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs that progress has been made on inflation. However, more data is needed to confirm it's moving toward the 2% target. He emphasized caution in rate cuts to avoid weakening economic activity and employment.
Investor and fund manager Bill Gross says Tesla Incorporated is behaving like a meme stock, citing weak fundamentals but sharp price increases. Tesla's stock rose 48.74% in the past month and 6% in the last 5 days, currently at $263. Gross also mentioned Chewy Incorporated, Zap Electric Vehicles, and GameStop Corporation as other volatile stocks.
Amazon executive chairman Jeff Bezos sold $863.5 million in stock after a recent $5 billion sale. This is part of a plan to sell up to 50 million shares by early 2025. Amazon shares closed at $199.34, up 33% year-to-date and nearly 57% over the past year.
NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang sold 240,000 shares for $30.7 million, with prices between $125.91 and $130.33, according to an SEC filing. Earlier, he sold 1.3 million shares for about $169 million. NVIDIA's stock has surged 165% this year, with a market cap now at $3.23 trillion.
David Ellison aims to transform Paramount Global into a media and tech company to compete with Netflix. After acquiring a controlling stake, he plans to enhance Paramount Plus by improving its algorithm and reducing user churn. Former NBC CEO Jeff Shell will seek partnerships for streaming growth and technological leadership.
Celsius Holdings shares have dropped 23% in the past month, with a recent 6% decline due to cautious comments from Morgan Stanley. Analyst Eric Serrata notes slowed sales growth and a slight market share dipped to 9.7%. Despite challenges, analysts remain mostly bullish on Celsius Holdings.
Cerman Apple was in focus Tuesday as Piper Sandler raised its price target to $225, citing potential AI-driven upgrades in iPhone sales growth in China. Analyst Matt Farrell noted much of the good news is already reflected in the stock's high valuation. Shares dipped slightly pre-market.
Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Catch you on the next episode. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.